Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to receive payments on Airbnb. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Airbnb app and at the bottom of your screen tap on More. This will bring up your main menu where you can access various account features and settings. From there, tap on Account Settings. This section houses all your personal preferences and financial configurations for your Airbnb account. Now, you'll want to tap on Payments. This is where you manage all your payment-related information, including how you receive money from your bookings and how you pay for stays when you're a guest. Next, tap on Payout Methods. This specific section is dedicated to setting up how you want to receive your earnings from hosting on Airbnb, which is crucial for getting paid efficiently. Once you're in that section, tap on Set Up Payouts. This button initiates the process of adding a new payment method to your account so you can start receiving funds from your guests. Now you'll see a drop-down menu appear. Tap on it and select your billing country and region from the list. This ensures that Airbnb can process your payments according to the banking regulations and options available in your location. After selecting your country, you'll be presented with several payout options. You can choose from PayPal in USD, bank account, or Pay One Year. Each option has its own advantages depending on your preferences and banking setup. For this example, we'll select bank account and then tap Continue to proceed with this method. A message will appear about keeping your account safe. This is Airbnb's way of reminding you about security measures and protecting your financial information. Go ahead and tap Continue to move forward. Now tap the drop-down menu and select your bank account type from the options provided. This helps Airbnb direct your payments to the correct type of account. Once you've made your selection, tap Next to continue with the setup process. Now comes the detailed part. You'll need to input your bank name, account number, SWIFT code, BIC ID, and bank code. Make sure you enter this information carefully and accurately, as any mistakes could delay your payments. After you've filled in all the required fields, tap Next to finalize your payout method, and that's it. You've successfully set up your payout method on Airbnb, and you're now ready to receive payments directly to your bank account. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.